Hello and welcome. I'm Rabi Hassan from Online Money Carrier. In this video, I will show you how our traffic sources. Our traffic sources is our Facebook, YouTube, and many other social sites. Especially the Facebook, actually. Yes, especially the Facebook. You have to catch eye-catching and important niche, which is very interesting and useful. If you need you have to remember one thing, that is my niche have to be 24-hour needy niche. Yes, needy. It's my own word, needy. Wow, what a word, needy. Needy means mm, everyone need it in the sector. Everyone need it in the sector. Just like software, some software which is very expensive and everyone want it. I suggest you to work in software niche, ebook niche, online money making ebook niche, and cooking niche. Actually, cooking niche is one of the best for used, and cooking niche, health niche. The fourth thing is best for you. Yes, the fourth thing is best for you. And in this video, I just make the video to declare that what is our traffic sources actually. Many are my I have just for now I have just 6 and 7 subscriber now. Actually, I am not a subscriber, but um, I know but 20 to 50 people just message me that, sir, uh, what is your traffic source, what is your traffic source, what is your traffic source. So I just reply them, okay, I will make a video and I will declare there what is my traffic source actually. I know they're not my subscriber, but I like to help people, so that's why I'm making the video. Our traffic source is Facebook, YouTube, Quora, and Instagram. Actually, that's all our traffic source. Mainly we are going to use the Facebook. Yes, I love Facebook, so we are going to use the Facebook. So for now, that's enough, and see you in my next video. Have a nice day. I'm Rabi Hassan from Online Money Carrier, and I will just I see you in my next video. The next video will be the sixth video, where I will teach you how to generate traffic from Facebook. Yes, I will teach you how to generate traffic from Facebook. So no more today. Have a nice day. I'm Rabi Hassan signing off for now. Bye.